If you're anything like me and have been running behind on holiday decor, don't worry, I've got you covered with this quick and easy DIY ornament tutorial. Okay, here's everything that I'm using today. Some clear plastic ornaments that I got from Hobby Lobby on sale. Some spray, pick any color you want to. I just had some leftover. This adhesive spray that I also got from Hobby Lobby. Some fake little snow particles also from Hobby Lobby. An empty box so that I won't make a mess. Some hanging ornament, whatever you call it, plastic to protect my area. And now I pierced a hole at the top of the box and I stuck the ornament on there, and I used that little tape to keep it from moving and shifting. And as you can see, I hung the ornament from it. You would ideally do this outside, but I did it inside. So what ended up happening was, because I'm doing it inside, I'm adding too many layers just because I wanted to show you guys. And then what happens is it starts to drip. But if I did it outside, I could do it layer by layer so I won't kill myself from the fumes. So do it outside, okay? So I decided to take it outside so I can finish it up, which I should have done to begin with, but it's cold outside. You see all those fumes? That's what I was inhaling inside. So now, while that's outside drying, I'm moving on to the next one. I'm gonna pour these fake little snowflakes in my little bowl that I use for lots of my crafts. And then I'm going to get one of the clear ornaments. Why can't I speak? One of the clear ornaments. I'm going to spray some of that tacky adhesive on it, and you probably could use some Mod Podge or any other adhesive. And then I'm going to roll it around in the bowl so some of the snow will adhere to it. Then after that, you can choose to just let it air dry somewhere. And here I attempted to cover it with a clear coat, but once again, I'm inside of the house, so I'm too close to the ornament. So if you do it outside, you can do it far away so that you don't blow off all the snow. And now I'm going to hang it back and I'm going to sit it outside to dry. If I can ever hook it back up. And that would be so cute on another color. You know, you can do it on pre-colored ornaments too. So this is the one that's outside, that's semi-dry, and I decided I wanted to roll it in the snow to add a little effect, or you could just leave it plain solid color. And that's it, and that's all. They're ready to hang on the tree. What do you think? Which one was your favorite? What color should I do next year? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.